So now look on your graph for your x and y-intercept. X-intercept, you solve for x, you write it as another period. Y-intercept, you solve for y, you write it as another period. Sometimes your equation is already in y-intercept. The y-intercept is giving to you. That when it's giving to you, you don't have to find it, right? Then you just go find the x-intercept. Solve for x, that's your x-intercept. Then you go plot those points on the graph. If there's a solution, the graph will find a solution for you. If the graph do not touch, you will assume that the lines are parallel. What do you know about parallel line? They have the same slope. So you can put the equation slope-intercept also. This equation is already slope-intercept. What is the y-intercept? 0. When x is 0, what is y? Y is -4. That's one point. I have my y-intercept at -4. 0, -4, that's where it's going to touch the y-axis. Now I need to find the x-intercept. How will I find the x-intercept? What should I do to find the x-intercept? Anyone?
Huh? What should you do to find a what?
How you find the x-intercept in the equation? Make y 0 good for it. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to substitute 0 for y. So my new equation will be 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then, and I'm going to solve for x.
So add 4.
And you add 4 to this side. Then I will have 2x is equal to 4. How will I find x?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. In this case, x is 2. That's my x-intercept. When x is 2, y is 0. Those two equations, those 2 points belong to that line. Then I'm done with that equation and I find the 2 points I'm looking for. I find my y-intercept, which is 0, -4. I solve for x, this is my x-intercept. Then I'm done with this problem. Then I go and work the other problem out. Here, we are here now. I need to find my x-intercept or my y-intercept. If I'm solving for x, how will I solve for x here? If I want x to be by itself, what should I do? Get rid of y by making it what?
Negative.
Negative. Subtract -2y on this side. Then I have x equal 12 minus 2y. This is my x-intercept. In this case, what is the x-intercept in this equation? 12. So when x is 12, what is y? Y is 0. So I can substitute 0 for that. That will be -2 times 0 is what? Is 0. Then my x-intercept is 12. And I'm going back to the same equation, solve for y. This is my new original equation. 2x plus 2y is equal to 12. Right? Now I'm solving for y. If I'm solving for y, what I need to do? Solving for y, what I need to do? Subtract x from each side. And I will have 2y is equal 12 minus x. How can I get y by itself? Divide by 2. And I will have y equal 6 minus x over 2. What is my y-intercept? 0, 6. When x is 0, y is 6. Now, this is my y-intercept. and those are my x and my y-intercept. Then I'm ready to go plot those points in the graph, and those points belong to this equation. All right, so look at those numbers: 0, 6, 12, 0, 0, negative 4, 2, 0. What they will be best interval to use as my unit?
Or
Count by 2 or by 4. So I'm gonna use 2 units. Right? This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, 10, and on. It will be negative 2, 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10, and on. 0, negative 4. Where will 0, negative 4 be? How will you plot 0, negative 4? Down how many units? 4 units. That was negative 2, negative 4. That would be 0, negative 4. That's my y-intercept. And the other one is what? 2, 0. Where is that? Go to the y. How many units? 2 units. 2, 0. So that will be my points here. 2, 0. Then I'm going to get a ruler, connect those 2 points. Bow my ruler. Do not grab my hand. Gonna need a ruler. Then make sure that it starts those 2 points, right? To the best you can. Then you go. You can continue it, right? Since it's a line, then you have the arrow going on that direction. And my equation was what? Y equal 2x minus 4. Then for the other one, I have 12, 0. Where's 12, 0 is located? How many units I need to go to the right? 12 units. That will be 4, 6, 8, 10, and that will be 12, 0 here. And the other point is what? 0, 6. Where will I find 0, 6? Go up 6 units. That will be 2, 4, 6. That will be 0, 6. And once again, I'm going to get my ruler. Make sure you touch those 2 points. If your graph does not fit, you need to address that situation, right? Is it on those 2 points? More or less, right? I guess this one move. Graphing is not the best method, but it could be work, right? Then you go, and the graph will find a solution for you. Now let's see if we can pinpoint the solution. Where those 2 lines intersect. Do you know what point is that? What point is that? 4, more or less. That will be somewhere down there. That will be your solution.
Good morning once again, teachers. Tardy tank students are heading to class at this time.
In this case,
mark their tardy.
they
Each
got
grade
to
book
find
and
that.
your checklist. Thank
If
you.
I replace 4, 4 here, it has to work. Right? What will be 2 times 4? 8. 8 minus 4? That's 4 is equal to 4. So that's how it's work.